Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you today. This is actually a cumulative about 2 different Dollar Trees in like 2 different weeks. I haven't really been finding a whole lot, mainly because I don't think I'm going to be buying a lot of Halloween and Thanksgiving stuff. I did purchase a couple of things, but I feel like just not gonna probably purchase a lot of that stuff, and then watch I'll do huge hauls with a bunch of stuff. But right now, just as it is right now, I don't think I'm going to be buying a lot of that stuff. So since that's mainly kind of the big majority of what the new stuff is, I'm kind of not finding a lot of stuff. But let's go ahead and check out what I did find. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start with yarn. I have really no idea why I bought this yarn. I'm actually probably gonna send these two to Lynette for potentially doing a Christmas, putting them in her Christmas collections, just because I don't know, I don't really need all this yarn. But I found it there. It was only $1, and she's used this kind of fuzzy yarn before, and I really like how it to use it in the journals. And then I found this one. I just thought this one was really cute. If you look at it, it's got like little, it's almost like a little Christmas tree. So I think I'm going to send these to her. So that's probably what I'm going to do with that. And then I bought a couple of different little pieces here. I like the thickness of this. Again, I really don't know what I'm going to do with it. I love this one. I feel like this one is really pretty. It's definitely my color. Look, it totally matches my nails. So I picked this up for $1 because I will figure out what to do with it someday. And then kind of on top, kind of the lines of the crafty stuff, I picked up this embossing stylus thing. I went ahead and opened it because I actually already used it. I really do like it. I like, it's got like a thinner tip and a thicker bulb for embossing, like if you want to do a fold in a paper or something like that, you can do that. So I really do like that tool. It works good. So I'm happy with that for $1. And then it's so funny, I found these scissors. These are totally like scissors from my past. I used to have a bunch of these scissors. I actually had a whole bunch of these before at one point, and I think when I moved into my last apartment 6 years ago, I got rid of all of them, and I'm not really sure how they cut. So I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna use these after the end of the video to show you how they cut. I found this transparency rub-on. I've seen this before, but I've never actually seen it in any of my stores. So I was super happy to find this. I really love the little hugging raccoons. Those are so cute. And like the fox wolf things. I don't know if those are wolves or foxes, but I just think this is so cute. I wish I could found more than one, but I only found one. But that's okay. I found these jumbo wall stickers, and I really like these. I think that I really like using wall stickers for different things. I use them in my journals all the time, and I use them in my happy planner. I actually just posted one where I used mermaids in my happy planner. So yeah, I really like this. I think it'd go cool. I like on a kind of like a boho journal maybe. So yeah, really happy with that purchase. And then I found another one of these cork sheets. Don't really know what I'm going to do with this, but I figured I'm going to pick up one more just in case I ever do figure out what I want. I think I only have 3, and I thought having 4 would be a better number if I ever figure out what I want to do with it, if that makes any sense. And then I found these. I know these are kind of an older sticker, but I didn't really have a need for them until I got this most recent journal from Cheaply Chic, which is like a fruit theme. So I was like, oh, I'm going to pick these up and use them in there. So that's why I picked up these. So I'm going to put that with the other stuff. And then I found this little paint roller, foam roller thing. That I picked this up was because I've wanted to do it. Cheaply Chic, Lynette has done some like card things, some like alternative, like card, what are they called? altered. When you alter a card, so she's had like playing cards and other stuff, and she's used a roller to kind of roll on paint. And I don't have anything like this. I don't know if it's going to work because it's got the grooves in it, but I figured for $1 I'm going to try it just to see if I like how it works. And then I found some paint, some chalk paint that I thought that I would pick up since it was there and it was only $1. I use that quite often in different things. And then I found a couple of more hair thingies. I have a black one like this I purchased a little while ago. I love how this fits in my hair. I love the flatness of the clip and how wide it is. I have really thick hair, so and this, I love the color of this, kind of this neutral color. And then I found some elastic bands. Recently picked up a whole thing of black ones, but I really do like the kind of more neutral colors, so picked those up. And then I picked one of these up for like when I take my makeup off and stuff at the end of the night, so I picked one of those up. A couple things for the house that I purchased. I found this really cute love pillow. This thing is so stinking soft. So I like had to pick it up because it was so soft. And I have a chair in my living room that kind of has a little this color on it. So I thought I could just stick it on that chair. It's like, really honestly, it's my cat chair. It's like my chair that my cat sits on all the time. So he'll love this little soft little pillow on that chair. And then I found this really cute little calendar thing. And I thought it was cute. So I'm like, oh, I'm going to pick that up. I'm actually going to put it right here in my little, right next to my light there. I picked up one of these boxes, organizational boxes with lids. I love these boxes. They're super hard to find, but I love them because they're perfectly square. I love that they don't have, a lot of times when you get boxes, they have like that slant on the sides. I'm not exactly sure why they do that, but, and I love that it has a lid and it fits in my little storage drawer things that I have. So I was so excited to find this because they're really super hard to find. I picked up another one of these organizing cases. I just always pick these up. I specifically like to do like embellishment boxes with these. I've done a couple on my channel and given a couple to friends. So I like picking these up just to have them because I use them tons in my storage. I have paper clips in here and all sorts of stuff. So I like to just have one on hand just in case I figure out a way to use it. Okay, so I found this really cute bag with a poodle on it. My mom actually has a poodle, and even though her poodle is a boy, he's a very feminine young man. So I just know she'll love this bag, so I picked that up for her. So you know what I said, I know at the beginning of this video I said I wasn't going to buy too many Halloween stuff. That's not going to mean I'm not going to buy any Halloween stuff. So I did pick up these lanterns. These were actually in just like the candle area. I had a couple of these from last year, and I just needed a couple of more to kind of fill out the space that I used them in. And I can't get my finger in that little thing to get the thing out. Come on, you can do it. So they're just little lanterns, and I like the kind of rusty kind of look to them. So I just bought all 3 of them, and they all have the little, you always want to make sure the little tabby pull thing is still intact when you purchase them, so that you can make sure that they, gosh, these things are hard to, I think they'll be cute for Halloween. And then I went ahead and picked up these little decorative witch's broom things. I have a broom theme in my house, so I figured a broom theme. I have a witch's theme in my house, so I figured these would be cute, just kind of strolled out different places. So, and then I did pick up this one sign because I just thought it was super cute. It just says grateful, thankful, and blessed. So yeah, I just thought that was cute. So that is pretty much everything that I got. It was kind of a small little haul, but as always, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Oh wait, hold on, I was going to open these. That's right. Yeah, that's everything I bought. So if you guys want to see how these cut, stick around. Not that I have a piece of paper in my eye view that I can actually use to cut these out with. Here, out on a piece of paper. Okay, so this one has like a wavy cut to it. It's almost like a little scallop. That's cute. Okay, and this one is a zaggedy edge. So pretty similar to what you would get if for with my big Fiskars things that are super hard to use. Let's test this. Yeah, I mean basically it's the same exact cut, but those Fiskar things are really hard to use, and these are super easy. I actually really like the handles on these, like the holes, the way that they're shaped. I like those. Okay, let's try this one. It's like a wave. And that's pretty much what it looks like. Nice. That's cool. I like that. So, and plus, you know, I have a scissor problem. Okay, well that was everything that I wanted to share with you today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you again next time.